Hello and welcome to Art 2. In today's video, we are going to discuss some tips and tricks that will help you take your designs to the next level. Whether you are creating t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, or any other print-on-demand product, these tips will help you create designs that stand out and catch the attention of your target audience. So, without further ado, let's get started. Tip number 1, research your audience. The first and most crucial step in creating a unique and attractive design is to research your audience. Who are you designing for? What are their interests, needs, and preferences? What kind of designs do they usually go for? These are all questions you need to answer before starting your design. Once you have a clear understanding of your audience, you can create designs that resonate with them and that they will love. For example, if you are designing for a sports team, you need to understand their team colors, logos, and slogans. If you are designing for a music festival, you need to know the type of music they play, the age range of their audience, and the overall vibe of the festival. The more you know about your audience, the better your designs will be. Tip number 2, keep it simple. One mistake many designers make is trying to cram too much into a design. While it's essential to create designs that are unique and eye-catching, it's also important to keep things simple. A cluttered design can be overwhelming and confusing for your audience, making them less likely to buy your product. Simplicity is key when it comes to design. A simple design is clean, easy to read, and memorable. When designing for print-on-demand, it's important to remember that your design will be printed on a product, and you want your design to be visible and recognizable even from a distance. So keep it simple and you'll have a better chance of success. Tip number 3, use high quality images. The quality of your design is crucial when it comes to print on demand. You want your design to look professional and eye-catching, and that means using high quality images. Low quality images can appear blurry or pixelated, and that can be a turnoff for potential buyers. Make sure to use high-resolution images and graphics in your designs. The higher the resolution, the sharper and more detailed your design will look when printed. You can find high-quality images and graphics online, or you could create your own. Just make sure that they are of high quality and that they are appropriate for your audience. Tip number 4, play with typography. Typography is the art of arranging type to make written language legible, readable, and appealing. Typography is a powerful tool in design, and you can use it to create unique and attractive designs. Play with different fonts, sizes, and colors to create a design that stands out. When it comes to typography, less is often more. Stick to 1 or 2 fonts and make sure that they complement each other. Use bold and italic fonts to highlight important text, and experiment with different colors to create a design that pops. Tip number 5, use color effectively. Color is an essential element in design, and it can be used to create an emotional response in your audience. Different colors can evoke different emotions, and you can use this to your advantage when creating your designs. Red, for example, is often associated with passion, energy, and excitement. Blue, on the other hand, is associated with calmness, stability, and trust. Green is associated with nature, growth, and health. Yellow is associated with happiness, optimism, and warmth. Use these color associations to create designs that evoke the emotions you want your audience to feel. But it's important to use color effectively. Don't use too many colors in your design, or it can become overwhelming. Stick to a few key colors and make sure they work well together. You can use a color wheel to help you choose complementary colors that look great together. Tip number 6, use negative space. Negative space is the empty space around and between the elements of your design. It can be used to create a visual balance in your design and to draw attention to specific elements. Don't be afraid of using negative space in your designs. It can be just as powerful as the elements in your design. For example, you can use negative space to create a silhouette effect, where the negative space becomes the subject of the design, where you can use negative space to draw attention to a specific element, such as text or an image. Tip number 7, keep branding in mind. When creating designs for print-on-demand, it's important to keep branding in mind. Your design should be consistent with your brand's identity and should reflect your brand's values and personality. This will help your audience connect with your brand and recognize it in the future. Make sure to use your brand's colors, fonts, and logos in your designs. This will help create a cohesive look across all your products and make your brand easily recognizable. Tip number 8, get feedback. It's always a good idea to get feedback on your designs before you put them out into the world. Ask friends, family, or other designers for their opinions on your design. They can offer valuable insights and suggestions that can help you improve your design. You can also test your designs on a focus group or through social media. This will give you a better understanding of how your audience responds to your design and what changes you need to make to improve it. Tip number 9, stay up to date with trends. Design trends are constantly changing, and it's important to stay up to date with the latest trends in design. This will help you create designs that are fresh, modern, and relevant to your audience. But don't just follow the trends blindly. Make sure that the trends you follow are appropriate for your brand and your audience. And remember that not all trends are suitable for all products. So choose the trends that work best for your products and your audience. Tip number 10, have fun and experiment. Finally, have fun and experiment with your designs. Don't be afraid to try new things and take risks. Some of the best designs come from taking risks and trying new things. Experiment with different colors, typography, and graphics. Try new design techniques and push the boundaries of what's possible. You never know what amazing designs you'll create when you're having fun and taking risks. Creating unique and attractive designs for print on demand can be challenging. But by following these tips and tricks, you'll be well on your way to creating designs that stand out and catch the attention of your target audience. Remember to research your audience, keep it simple, use high-quality images, play with typography, use color effectively, use negative space, keep branding in mind, get feedback, stay up to date with trends, and have fun and experiment. By doing so, you'll create designs that are not only unique and attractive, but also highly effective in driving sales for your print-on-demand products. If you enjoyed today's video and have not already subscribed, do it now so you know when the next video is uploaded. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to join us for the next video.